Hello guys and welcome to AlgoCraft. Today we are solving the LeetCode problem number 215. We have to find the kth largest element in an array. So what the question says is, given an array nums and an integer k, return the k largest element in the array. We have to find the largest element of kth. Means here if k is equals to 2, so we have to find the second largest element in an array. So here the second largest is 6 over here in the array, and the second largest is 5 in this array. So we have to find the kth largest element in our array. So what we'll approach is, we'll discuss in our whiteboard. So let's dive into our whiteboard. Okay, so what will our approach is, our data structure comes something like priority queue. It's named priority queue. So what we'll do is, we'll make a queue and add all the elements in it. We'll make a queue and add all the elements of the nums array into it. So we'll add first 5, then 2, then 8, then 6, then at the last 4 we will add this 4. So what this queue will do, queue will return the maximum element if we pop out from the queue. Suppose if we take the elements from the queue, so if we do queue.poll, so suppose we name the queue pq, so I do pq, so suppose I do pq.poll, it means we have to remove an element from our priority queue. So which element it will remove? It will remove the greatest element presented in our queue. So here the greatest element presented it is 8. So it will remove 8 from our priority queue, and after this our priority queue is look something like this. So our priority queue will something look like this, and then again we do pq.poll. We again do pq.poll. Then it will again give us the greatest element presented in our queue. So in our queue, the greatest element present is now 6. So it will pawn out our 6. So it will pop our 6 and our element will, and then our queue will look something like this. Then again, if we do pq.poll, then again we do pq.poll, it will again pop the greatest element in our queue. So this is our greatest element in our queue. So how many times we have to do this pq.poll in order to get kth largest element? So you can see that we are always removing the largest element from our priority queue. So if we will do it kth times, means if we will do it kth times, we will get the kth largest element in an array. So our question will be executed and our question will be solved. So suppose we'll run a for loop and initialize I as 0, I is as 0, and I will go till k. So it will pop out the elements from our priority queue. It will pop 0 first element, then it will pop first element, then second, then third. If the value of k is third, then it will stop over here. It will stop at second element. So this will be removed and it will stop at second element. Then at the last we will do priority queue.peak. So basically priority queue.peak function will return us the peak value which contains in our priority queue. So it will again give us the greatest number in our priority queue available. So if we do pq.peak, so it will again give us the greatest number presented in our priority queue. So now let's do a code and understand it more properly. Okay, so the code is very simple. So first what we'll do is, we'll make a priority queue. We'll make a priority, and then we'll type here queue. We'll make this priority queue the type of integer and we'll name it pq. This will equals to new priority queue. So in Java, if we have to make the max priority queue, so what we have to do is we have to insert collection dot. Okay, so I have to do here collection dot reverse order here. So it will make max heap to us. Collection dot reverse. Sorry, I put here as reverse, then order. So it will make a max heap to us. And now our queue is ready. So what we'll do is we'll run a for each loop which int I will contains all the elements of nums. Now we will do pq.add. We'll add all the elements to our priority queue. We'll do I. Okay, now we have done pq dot. We have add all the elements in our priority queue. Now what we'll do is we'll run a for loop. Int I is equals to 0, I less than k, means we will go till 1, 0 and 1. K is over 2 over here and we'll go like this till k will go, and we will do I plus plus. Then what we will do is we will make a pq.poll. So it will pop out the elements from our priority queue, and now at the last we will return pq.peak. Now we'll run our solution. Okay, so I make some changes over here. What I have done is I have removed the for loop and insert a while loop over here, which will do a work of for loop only, but while loop is perfect for this condition. So I have put extra bracket over here. I will remove. Now let's run our code. Okay, our code is passing. All test cases is passing. Okay, so if you like our video, please do like, share, subscribe to the channel. And if you have any query, please comment down below.